Hey guys, if you want to automate your crypto trading with AI-powered strategies, in this tutorial we'll show you how to set up your Cryptohopper trading bot in just a few steps. So the step 1 is create an account and connect an exchange. You have to sign up on cryptohopper.com, link your Binance, Coinbase or other exchanges via API. Step 2 is to choose your trading strategy. You can use pre-built AI strategies or create your own. And then you have to set parameters for buy and sell signals. And then you have to backtest your strategy to see potential performance. Step number 3, which is configure your trading bot. You can choose from DCA, grid or arbitrage bots. You can also set up stop loss and take profit levels for risk management, and you can also enable copy trading to follow expert traders. And step 4 is start trading and monitor performance. Let the bot trade 24/7 on your behalf. You can use real-time analytics to track your profits. You can also adjust settings as needed for optimized results. So the pro tip is start with the paper trading account to test strategies before investing real money. So ready to trade smarter? Like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.